Hello, this presentation is for LS566 metadata, and my name is Camille Flanders. And tonight I'm going to share you a little bit about the Warren and Genevieve Garst photograph collection. And I wanted to start with a brief reminder about this collection. This collection is part of the Colorado State University Digital Collection. It consists of nearly 20,000 slides, and approximately 1,400 of them are digitized. And these slides were donated by Warren and Genny Garst, and all of the images are depicting wildlife from 7 continents. Okay, now I just want to say first that this collection is a lot of fun to explore, and I wish I could take you to every tab and through every search possibility, but that would take up a little too much time. And so what I'm going to do is focus on my favorite parts of the collection and, of course, the metadata. So first, as you can see here on the left-hand side of the screen, you can search the collection and find more about the animals. You can find specific animals, or you can learn more about the collection. So if you click on Meet the Garsts, here you can learn more about Warren and Genny. Or if you click on About the Collection, you can learn more about the collection itself, and it provides 3 really useful links down here at the bottom. If you click on Technical Information about the images, it lists the 11 elements of Dublin Core metadata that are consistent for each slide. And then if you go back and you click on the Collaborative Digitization Program Quarterly Reports, this provides access to all of the reports given to the CDP. And then I won't click on this last link, but it takes users to the main digital collection for CSU libraries. Okay, so now to explore the collection itself. As you can see, there is a Learn About Animals section. This essentially allows users to search the collection by topic. For example, by clicking on the Characteristics link, users can search by the animals by mammals, reptiles, birds, insects, spiders, or aquatic animals. And then one really cool feature that I want to point out, and you'll have to explore each of these other links by yourself, but I really like the Stories link. Because it takes users to 3 stories provided by the Garsts, and each story has the text for the story as well as the audio link to listen to Genny or Warren themselves tell the story. Okay, so now to learn how to search in this collection. So you can search by common name, which is A through Z, by scientific name, which is organized by kingdom, phylum, and class. You can search by continent, or you can use the actual search page itself. So first, oh, and I should tell you that I'm going to do 2 searches with you. So first, I think we're going to want to find a picture of a penguin. So I'm going to search for penguin by common name. So I'm just going to go here to P, scroll down to penguin, and I'm going to choose the fairy penguin. And this brings up an example of the fairy penguin. And as you can see, this layout is a similar layout for every image. And you can see the title of the image here at the top. You can see the actual image itself with this cute little penguin. You can click on it and it will enlarge the image. And then if you scroll further down, you can see the metadata that is included with this image. So it has a scientific classification of the penguin, and this is the same for every image, shows the scientific classification of the animal included in the image, which is really useful for those who are interested in learning more about the animal itself, or for researchers. And then you can learn more about the animal characteristics of this species of penguin and other information such as geographic, where the species resides, date, or subject. And you can also access the discovery record, which is another view of the metadata and more specific. And you can look at the librarian view, which gives the XML records as well as the Dublin Core full record. As you can see here, here's all the Dublin Core metadata that they have included for this image. So then if you go back to the collection itself, I wanted to show you a search from the search link. So I'm going to do a search by status, and I'm going to choose vulnerable. And I think I'm going to pick right here this image, the civet sitting in a tree, because I'm not really even sure what a civet is. So let's learn a little more about it. So as you can see, the layout is the same as the previous image. The title, the image of the civet itself, its scientific classification, some characteristics of it, such as its habit, its diet, even some interesting facts, which I think this one is really interesting. There's 34 species of it, and I've never even heard of it. But that may be for obvious reasons because it comes from Europe, Africa, or Asia. And then once again, you can click here on the discovery record to view more metadata about that image. So I think that's about all I have for you today. Unfortunately, like I said, I can't show you a lot, but I'll just end here on this wonderful image of a wallaby and share how much I love this collection, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you.